Good morning! Today is an exciting day.
Guten Morgen.
Where are we going?
We're going to Beamer's Coffee in Canmore. And then after that we're going to Banff and we're going to do some hiking.
I've never been to Banff. I'm so excited. We're gonna see some real mountains. No more flat. Well, there will be some flat, but I'm very excited. Should be really, really fun. We're gonna do some hikes. It's gonna be dope. Checking in on Rita. I hope our plant is okay. We'll see. Driving realization. I'm just realizing that we are gonna live in the mountains. Like, not here, because this is Alberta, but we're gonna live somewhere where these mountains are so close.
Yeah.
Existential crisis here. That's crazy. Oh, this is kind of a cool tunnel. Let me flip it.
It's a nature bridge.
Oh, nature bridge. Oh, for the animals.
Yeah.
It's fun. Damn.
Where are we?
We made it to Canmore. You can see the mountains everywhere. I love it here. It's amazing. We're going to Beamer's Coffee for a little cafe this morning. It's freezing here. It's so cold, but it's kind of nice because it's been really hot. But like, it's so heavy. Delicious. Buying our parking pass for Banff National Park. Here.
Expensive to rent.
Here we go. Expensive.
Crazy expensive.
Oh, all of these are like a rental?
All the Cruise Canada ones are rentals.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dang, that's kind of...
It's literally... I think it's like $250 a day or something.
gonna say-
What?
Plus gas.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Oh
It's
my
like-
god.
You're paying for like the novelty of an RV.
The thing is, though, I would wonder how it would relate during peak season.
Oh, Tom, you're not in my video. Getting ready for our hike.
Yep.
Oh, guys, while we were coming here, I looked up the hike to Moraine Lake from Lake Louise is only like...
Moraine Lake from Lake Louise?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Is 1.3 kilometers out and back. It's like 40...
It's from Lake Louise as well.
Yeah, it's from
Really?
Lake Louise, I think. On all trails, that's what it said.
Oh.
I
They
think.
were that close.
I think they were...
We do that first and then
I
the big.
No, big one first.
Big one
Yeah.
first. Beehive first. But yeah, I don't know if you guys are down to do like a smaller like...
Moraine Lake's pretty cool.
Yeah, I've never been, obviously,
It's like
because I've never
slightly
been here.
smaller from what I remember, but I remember it being pretty cool.
Apparently the peaks, you see more of the peaks. There's
Yeah.
like 10 peaks or whatever.
I don't think I've ever seen.
Matt, it was the same thing. You had to buy... You had to buy tickets for like all the gondolas and everything. Everything was like... Okay, pro tip guys, if you're coming to Lake Louise in the summer, on season, you will not get parking unless you're here at 4 a.m. bright and early. And if you can't park at the lake, you have to park in this park and ride area, which I thought meant you get a free shuttle because I don't know why, but guess what? Capitalism, okay? You have to buy tickets for a shuttle. And Parks Canada has one that's very affordable, but you have to book that well in advance. And guess what? We did not do that. So instead of paying $11 a person, $55 a person to go to Lake Louise. Highly recommend booking in advance, guys, if you're gonna do it. Yeah, so pro tip for your next trip to Banff. We're gonna go here.
Cool.
That's so beautiful. What the heck? It's literally just right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we weren't exaggerating. We were right.
It's so close. That's so jokes.
So the hike we're doing, like hikes along the lakeside.
Slammered. The nice thing is that Alberta's actually like really close to Squamish. Like we could come back here.
On the opposite.
Exactly. Not in the middle of...
Canmore for 150. Probably like tier 2, like how fancy our room is.
Gorgeous.
Think about just like a standard
Amazing.
Holiday Inn in Canmore with $650. Yeah.
Wow, wow, wee wah.
Wow, wow, wow.
We're getting ready to do our hike. Tom's in adventure mode. Where are we going?
Lake Agnes.
Oh,
The sign back there said that way.
Yeah, we're going all trails here. Zero 2 4 1. No, AA, like the letter. Yeah, that's correct. Okay.
Mirror Lake. Snack spot. Big beehive.
Around to the bigger lake, and up there is the tea house.
Beehive.
See Will Penny's Instagram story?
Shout out to Francis for the ketchup almonds.
No, he's
Keeping me alive on this hike.
Helicopter pilot.
He was flying a helicopter through the wild.
So nice. This hike is so beautiful, guys, but I'm a little bit on the slow side, partially because I'm taking video, partially because I just feel so out of shape for hiking uphill. That's okay. I'm taking my time. I'm enjoying myself. The views are literally incredible. I 10 out of 10 recommend this hike. It is Agnes Lake Beehive something. Hiked up to a little tea house, and wow, another Gorgina lake. What the heck? Incredible. Holy. Amazing. Views, amazing. This hike is so pretty. Look at this side. Amazing. What's the hold up? Anthony. Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna turn my phone around. Look at this. Guys, that's where we started. The bottom. Oh. Better view. At this point, we should just know there's always a better view. Damn! Wow, right where we started. Nice.
Nice.
Right there.
You gotta dive in from here?
Yeah.
Cannonball?
Yeah, you could make it.
I think you gotta get
That
a
was
good
our
run though.
snack spot. I know.
The change of pants.
He's so extra sometimes.
I literally thought those were your shoes.
Oh yeah.
It looks dope. Gorgeous views from the top, but we have heard thunder and it is gonna rain. So we're getting out of here. We go up, right?
Yep.
Rain's coming. It is raining a little bit. That's okay. Even though it's raining, wow guys, this is so pretty. Oh yeah, it's really raining now. Yeah, I'm gonna be wet. It's okay. Just gotta accept it. It's fine. We will be drenched. It's fine. We got wet! Sun's coming out. But we did indeed get soaked. And it's freezing cold now. But it was worth it. Little shower. We were all a little bit stinky, right? Yeah. Wow. The rain moves quick, eh? A little bit of alpine rain, but it is opening up into some blue skies, which is going to be beautiful. Filming and hiking is a lot of work, but wow, it's actually getting really nice out. Good news, guys. The sun came back out and now I can dry off. And it's warm again. Was that intentional?
Not bad.
Came down, finished the hike, having a little snack at the lake. Snack and a view. It's beautiful. Okay, we did the hike. What was the hike we did? What was the hike we did?
What was the hike we did?
Anthony?
It was
Lake
called
Agnes and Little Beehive.
Little, yeah.
And it
there.
was where?
Can you see it?
There.
The one that
my
looks like a
God.
beehive.
Yeah, right there. Okay, perfect. And how many kilometers was it?
9.9, 500 meter elevation.
Whoa.
Yeah, Anthony's our stats guy.
My knees are dead. And we're leaving Lake Louise. It was beautiful. Mind blown. If you guys are coming to Banff, you definitely should come and check out Lake Louise. It is 100% worth it. It's a little busy and they're doing some construction, so maybe not so naturey, but it's still really, really nice. So 10 out of 10, we had a great time. Look at how pretty it is. Back on the road after our hike, and now we are going to Golden, BC. So we'll actually be in BC, and then tomorrow we are gonna arrive in Squamish, which is crazy. But now we did that hike, and honestly, I'm not mad about sitting in the car, right?
Yeah. I'm tired.
Very tired, but that was so much fun. It was so much fun. And this part of the drive is still like absolutely gorgeous. So we're just gonna listen to some good music, take it all in. We're gonna find a brewery in Golden for a beer, and then we're gonna go have some dinner. So I'll take you guys along for the rest of this. To a brewery. It is called
It's on the back.
White Tooth Brewing, and I've got all my trash that I've been saving from the trip to put in my junk journal.
Oh, sorry, it says
My favorite.
644. Still wasn't that though.
Time to
We were like
journal.
5
Downtown. Oh my god. Downtown Golden, BC. I don't know if this is downtown, but we're in a cute little area. We're downtown. I just was junk journaling at the brewery, which was really fun. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. We are now in Golden, so we are officially in British Columbia. And tomorrow we are gonna be at our new condo in Squamish, which is so exciting. Yeah, I don't feel like vlogging anymore. I'm like really tired, so I'm gonna end it here. But we made it to BC and I'll pick it back up tomorrow. I think for the rest of the night we're just gonna get some food and relax, and then we're gonna leave early tomorrow so that we can get to Squamish. So yeah, thanks for following along this far, and I can't wait for you guys to see us make it to our new home.